So you've got solar panels. Awesome. You're ready to harness the power of the sun, right? But here's the plot twist. Those shiny panels can't do the job alone. While they get all the attention, soaking up sunlight like champs, they're only part of the story. Without a little-known hero working behind the scenes, all that solar energy would go nowhere. That's where Sunstorm Energy steps in to help you understand the full picture. Now that you know your solar panels aren't the whole story, let's talk about the real powerhouse of your solar setup, the solar inverter. Think of your solar panels as giant sunlight catchers on your roof. They're fantastic at grabbing sunlight, but they don't actually produce electricity your home can use right away. That's the inverter's job. The inverter acts like a translator, changing raw solar energy into the usable electricity that powers your lights, appliances, and gadgets. Now let's explore the types of inverters to find the best fit for you. First up, we have string inverters, the traditional choice. They connect several solar panels in a series, or string. This affordable option works best for big, sunny roofs with minimal shade, making a string inverter ideal for maximum value. But what if your roof isn't totally sunny all the time? That's where microinverters come in. With microinverters, each panel has its own small inverter. This setup ensures that if one panel is shaded, it doesn't impact the others, leading to better overall energy production. Though they cost more upfront, they're ideal for homes with some shading. If you're looking for a middle ground, consider power optimizers. These work with a central inverter like a string inverter does, but also boost each panel's output individually, making them great for partially shaded roofs. This hybrid approach is popular for homeowners seeking a balance between cost and efficiency. And if you're looking ahead to the future, think about a hybrid inverter. Hybrid inverters not only convert solar power, but can also connect with a battery storage system. This allows you to store extra energy for cloudy days or nighttime, making hybrid inverters a great choice for getting the most out of your solar setup. When choosing an inverter, efficiency is key. Most modern models convert over 95% of captured energy into usable power. But don't stop there. A solid warranty, usually lasting 10 to 25 years, ensures long-term reliability. And with many inverters now offering smart features, you can track your system's performance in real time on your phone to see your energy usage and catch any issues early. Sunstorm Energy can help you choose an inverter with these features for maximum convenience. Ultimately, the best inverter depends on your unique needs, roof layout, sunlight exposure, budget, and future plans. While string inverters are budget-friendly, microinverters and hybrid systems may offer better long-term value. Sunstorm Energy can guide you in finding the best match for your home, helping you maximize your solar investment. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? That's normal. Understanding your inverter options is a great first step toward maximizing your solar investment and moving closer to energy independence. If you have questions or are considering solar for your home, reach out to Sunstorm Energy for expert advice. And if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about sustainable living, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with more soon. Until next time, let's keep building a better tomorrow together.